Fast weight loss tips. Are you interested in losing weight? If you are you in a hurry to do so? While it is advised that you do not rely heavily on fast weight loss, also commonly referred to as rapid weight loss, there are many individuals who do. If you are interested in losing weight as quickly as possible, you will want to continue reading on. One of the many ways that you can go about achieving a fat weight loss or rapid weight loss is by reducing the foods that you eat. When reducing your food consumption, it is important that you only reduce your consumption a little bit. Unfortunately, many individuals who want to achieve fast weight loss think that they need to stop eating altogether, even if it is for 2 or 3 days. That is something that you do not want to do. Once you resume eating again, you will likely gain all of your weight back, almost automatically. It is also important to mention that starving yourself is dangerous to your health. In conjunction with reducing your food intake, it is advised that you reduce the amount of sweets or junk food that you eat. For fast weight loss, you will want to completely eliminate junk food from your diet, even if it is only for a short period of time. This means that if you want a snack, you should grab an apple or an orange instead of a chocolate bar or a bag of chips. With candy and other sweets being high in calories, you may see a significant decrease in your calorie consumption by eliminating them from your diet. Exercise is another way that you can go about achieving fast weight loss. The thing about using exercise to achieve fast weight loss is that it is a little bit tricky. With exercise, you may not notice a significant weight loss right away. For instance, it typically takes most individuals at least a week or 2 to notice an improvement in their appearance with the use of exercise. With that in mind, the more overweight you are, the sooner you may see a decrease in your weight, often quickly. In keeping with exercise to lose weight, exercise is important to losing weight, as it helps to limit your calorie intake. When you burn off calories, with the use of exercise, your body absorbs less calories. This is what makes it possible for you to lose weight. Although your first goal may be to start exercising as much as possible, right away, you may want to refrain from doing so. If you aren't usually physically active, it is best to start out slow. This should significantly reduce your risk of injuries. Another one of the many ways that you may be able to achieve fast weight loss or rapid weight loss is with the use of a cleanse. These cleanses are commonly referred to as colon cleanses or weight loss cleanses. Cleanses work by removing toxins and extra weight, actually waste, from your body. It has been said that most individuals have at least 7 or 8 pounds of waste stored in their bodies. A weight loss cleanse or a colon cleanse should help remove those toxins from your body. Should you decide to try a colon cleanse or a weight loss cleanse to help you achieve a fast weight loss, it is important that you read all directions given to you. Some cleanses have a strict diet that you must follow. For the fastest weight loss, you may want to examine liquid cleanses instead of those in pill formats, as they often produce the quickest results. The above-mentioned fast weight loss tips may help you achieve fast weight loss, even if it is only a small weight loss. As a reminder, it is important to proceed with caution. While it is more than possible for you to achieve your fast weight loss goal, it can also be dangerous to you and your health.